Stop scrolling. Did you know that the billions of people are trapped in poverty because of their soil is dying? Farms across the world produce less food every year. Why? Our soil is being destroyed by human activities like deforestation, over farming, pollution, and much more because of climate crisis. Every minute, fields are turning into deserts, crops fail, food prices rise, poor families lose their only source of nutrition, nutrients drastically reduce in our crops and vegetables. Children's future vanish before your eyes. Degraded soil costs humanity over $65 billion every year. If we do not act now, even you would be affected. But there is a good news. There is a way to get back the soil to life. Solution: biochar. Mixing biochar, a powerful carbon-rich material, into the soil can boost fertility, lock away climate-harming carbons, and help crops thrive. The best biochar has these features. The oxygen to carbon ratio should be less than 0.4. This means that the biochar is stable and won't break down easily. The hydrogen to carbon ratio should be less than 0.6. This shows that the biochar is rich in carbon and more resistant to decomposition. It should contain more than 15% black carbon. Black carbon is the long-lasting form that stores carbon for decades or even centuries. Polyaromatic hydrocarbons should be lower than what is already there in the soil. These are harmful compounds, so we want very little of them. The surface area should be greater than 100 square meters per gram. A large surface area means the biochar can hold nutrients and water better, helping plants to grow. Final call to action. Ready to fight poverty and save our soil? Share this reel. Tag a friend who cares. Let's make biochar go viral.